his ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಚಾನಲ್. ಸರ್, ನೀವು ಯಾವತ್ತನ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಸರ್ ಒಂದು ಸೀನ್ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ವಿಲ್ ಯು ಥಿಂಕ್ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಲಾಜಿಕ್ ಬಿಹೈಂಡ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್? ಸೊ ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್, ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಒಂದು ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಮಾಡ್ತಾಯಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಸಮ್ ಎನ್ ಟಿ ಆರ್ ಸರ್ ರೋರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ ಎದುರುಗಡೆ, ಆ್ಯನಿಮಲ್ ಎದುರುಗಡೆ. ಸೊ ಏನಾದರೂ ಲಾಜಿಕ್ ಏನಾದರೂ ನೋಡ್ತೀರಾ? ಸೊ ವಿಲ್ ಇಟ್ ವರ್ಕ್ ಫಾರ್ ಅಸ್ ಆರ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಫಾರ್ ಅ ಬೂಸ್ ಬಂಪ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ?
There's a old saying of Alfred Hitchcock, where drama starts, logic ends. Where logic starts, drama can also end. So, and especially when Rajamouli Garu tells you something on sets, I don't know about other actors, Nay and I stopped using my logic so much because he would have traveled with that drama or logic for many years before he narrated to me. And seeing his experience, I just do to the T exactly what he tells me. So I don't use logic and my brain when I'm working with him.
ಹಾಯ್ ಸರ್, ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ನಾನು ETV ನ್ಯೂಸಿಂದ ರವಿಕುಮಾರ್ ಅಂತ. ರಾಮಚರಣ್ ಸರ್, ನಿಮಗೆ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ. ಸರ್, ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಡಬ್ಬಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡಿರೋದು ನಮಗೆಲ್ಲ ತುಂಬಾ ಖುಷಿ. ಎಸ್ಪೆಷಲಿ ಇನ್ನೊಂದೇನೆಂದರೆ ರಾಜಮೌಳಿ ಸರು ನಿಮಗೆ ಅದನ್ನು ಮಾಡಿಸಿರೋದು ದೊಡ್ಡ ಕಾಂಟ್ರಿಬ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. ಯಾಕೆಂದರೆ ಆರ್ ಸಿನಿಮಾಗೆ ಈ ಡಬ್ಬಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂದಾಗ ಫಸ್ಟಿಗೆ ನೀವು ಅಪ್ರೋಚ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಏನು ಅನಿಸ್ತು? ಮತ್ತು ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಅಂತ ಏನೋ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ರಾ, ಹೇಗೆ? ರಾಮಚರಣ್ ಸರ್ಗೆ.
Yeah, of course. Nagaraj, Varadaraj sir was our man behind our dubbing. Obviously, we've seen some Kannada films and everything, but all that doesn't help when you have a tutor or a mentor like Varadaraj Garu. It helped me a lot and didn't have to learn the full language. Obviously, we learned to the script. We revised the script multiple times. We had a dry run and then it was quite easy. In fact, I enjoyed amongst the 4 languages. I remember Rajamouli sir said after watching all the thing, your Kannada was one of the best.
ಸರ್, ಏನಂದರೆ ತಂದೆಯವರು ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ರವಿ ಸರ್ ಜೊತೆ ಸಿನಿಮಾ ಮಾಡಿದರು. ಸೊ ನೀವು ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿನಿಮಾ ಮಾಡುವಂಥ ಸಾಧ್ಯತೆ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ?
I'm waiting for a long time. I hope after RRR I'll get one good director or a nice actor here to offer me a beautiful part. Thank you.
ಸರ್, ಸತೀಶ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ನ್ಯೂಸ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕನ್ನಡ. ರಾಜಮೌಳಿ ಸರ್, ನಿಮಗೆ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ ಸರ್. ಸರ್, ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಸ್ಮಾರ್ಟ್ ಹೀರೋಗಳು ಮತ್ತು ಬ್ಯೂಟಿಫುಲ್ ಹೀರೋಯಿನು ಬಿಟ್ಟು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಟ್ರೈಲರ್ ಫುಲ್ ಔಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಸ್ ಇದೆ ಸರ್. ಆ ಲವ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಏನು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು ಅಂತ ಸರ್?
Okay, see, there is a grammar for a story, right? When you start just like you have a grammar for the language, how you speak the language, the sentence has to be spoken in a certain way to make sense. Just like that, there is a grammar for the story also. You know, we have 9 rasas, 9 emotions, and there is a grammar on how you play with the emotion. Once you start a particular emotion, it dictates how the second emotion should be. That will dictate how the third emotion should be. So there is a flow of events. In the flow of events, if the love portion comes in, then I will play love emotion. Love is also an emotion. Anger is an emotion. No, fantasy is an emotion. Fantastical elements is an emotion. So like that, just because I have the most beautiful girl as my heroine, I will not play the love part. The story has to demand. Just because there is Charan, just because they make a very good pair, I will not play out the love scenes. No, that will hamper my storytelling. Earlier, someone was asking me what is the success like. This is one of the reasons. Of course, the audience are very, very important to me. Audience expectations are very, very important to me. But I will not let that dictate how I tell my story. The story is the most important thing, and I will play according to that. Thank you.
ರಾಜಮೌಳಿ ಸರ್, ನನ್ನ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ ನಿಮಗೇನೆ. ಯೂಶಲಿ ಬೇರೆ ಲ್ಯಾಂಗ್ವೇಜ್ ಸಿನಿಮಾಗಳು ಬಂದರೆ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕದಲ್ಲಿ ಅದದೇ ಭಾಷೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ ಎಂಜಾಯ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಅದದೇ ಭಾಷೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಆ ಸಿನಿಮಾನ ವೆಲ್ಕಮ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಈ ಡಬ್ಬಿಂಗ್ ಅನ್ನೋ ಪ್ರೋಸೆಸ್ಸು ಬಂದಾಗ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮೈಂಡ್ಗೆ ಬಂದಂಥದ್ದೇನು? ಯಾಕೆ ಡಬ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತನಾ, ಅಥವಾ ಒರಿಜಿನಲ್ ಭಾಷೆಯಲ್ಲೇ ನೋಡ್ತಾರೆ ಬೇಕಿತ್ತಾ, ಅಥವಾ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾ ಮಾಡಬಾರ್ದಾ, ಏನಿತ್ತು ಆ ಥಾಟ್ ಪ್ರೋಸೆಸ್ ಏನಿತ್ತು?
See, when I made Bahubali, when I made Bahubali, we made it in Telugu and Tamil. We also dubbed into Hindi. We also dubbed into Malayalam, and we released the trailers. And when we released the film itself, you should see the number of comments that I got, either in the channels or in my Twitter feed, cursing me because I didn't make a film in Kannada, because I didn't dub it into Kannada. And there people were cursing me like, you give importance to other languages, you dub it into Malayalam, you dub it into Hindi, and you don't dub it into Kannada. Do you think Kannadigas are lesser than other people? There were so many comments. And for us it was like, no, we want to dub into every language possible. I am from Karnataka, I want to dub it into my own language. But there were rules at that point of time saying dubbing is not allowed into Kannada. So at that point in time we couldn't do. Right? Like you said, people from Karnataka are used to watching the film in the original language, but it is not the entire population of Karnataka. Some people in Karnataka want to watch it in the original language. There is another set of population who want to watch it in the Kannada itself. So in Karnataka, obviously, we'll be releasing in Telugu and we'll be releasing in Kannada also. The people who want to watch it in whichever language they want to, they will watch it in that language. But when we make it in Kannada, when we dub it into Kannada, we will take every care that we can. Lots of importance has been given to every voice, that every word is pronounced as perfectly as possible. A direct Kannada star can speak a few words wrong, people would not mind. But if Telugu heroes are coming and speaking in Kannada, people will look at with magnifying glasses. Is this Kannada correct or not? So that much care we had to take, and we took every care. And I'm guessing that the trailer denotes how good the pronunciation is. And we still are humans. We might have made some mistakes, and we will learn that and correct in the coming films.
ವೆಂಕಟ್
Thank
ಸರ್,
you.
ವೆಂಕಟ್ ಸರ್, ಈಗ RR ಸಿನಿಮಾ ಡಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಬ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ, ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಈಗ ಯಾವಾಗ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ವೆನ್ ವಿಲ್ ಯು ಮೇಕ್ ಫಿಲ್ಮ್ ವಿತ್
How happy are you, sir, as a maker?
Hello. Yeah, obviously, super happy. Tumba santosha. No, I can't express in words how happy I am. Obviously, that's like, as a filmmaker, that's what we look forward to. The love from the audiences, their happy shouts, their happy screams, and we got that in abundance for RRR trailer. Can't be happier.
Yes. Thank you, sir. And Alia avare, namaskara, and welcome to Bangalore. Is this your first trip to Bangalore?
No.
No?
I've been
You
to
keep coming here.
Keep coming. Yeah, but I've been to Bangalore many times, especially for films. But definitely first time for a South film.
For South. So how excited are you?
I think words can't express how excited I am. It's been from the very first day when I was the chosen one to be a part of an S.S. Rajamouli film. It is a dream come true for any actor to be directed by him and represented by him. So yeah, I wouldn't say too much. I have immense gratitude in my heart, and I think I'm one of those people who was screaming and shouting while I was watching the trailer, even though I'm a part of the film, because I was so excited and I was telling sir, I said, he just knows exactly what to make an audience feel. You go up, you go down, you go side, you go left, you go round, you go. It's like a roller coaster of emotions and thrill and excitement. So I'm really looking forward to the release and, to the experience of the audience experiencing it.
And I must say, you look stunning on screen, stunning.
Thank
So
you.
I just have a small request. We have all Kannada fans. They would really want to hear you speak 2 words of Kannada. If you don't mind, if I can teach you, please.
ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. My tutor.
And the best. Thank you so much, Alia. And NTR sir, ನಾನು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಜೊತೆ ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲೇ